Hey guys, Patronn here from Brooklyn Mitsubishi. If you don't know my name by now, you should, okay? Or I'm doing a poor job doing it. This video is actually for my friend, my dear friend Paul at the Marketing Nerds. I want to shout out, I want to give this video to him because, you know, what Paul has done to me has changed everything on social media. Okay, I met Paul about in December and everything changed from there. You know, the marketing, the way that he thinks, it's just at another level, right? So we partner up with him, and you know our numbers are skyrocketed, right? Our social media, it's on fire right now. So I highly recommend the Nerds because the way they think about social media is the way that it should be done. Very professional to deal with. Okay, all the stuff gets done whenever you want it. I mean, I text them at midnight, and you know stuff is done in the morning. And these are the people you want to partner up with. So shout out to him. I really want to thank him, and I want to look forward to do something special for him because he takes care of me at the end of the day in Brooklyn Mitsubishi. So the vision is there. They got what it takes. They got nothing but the best, and I love these guys. You know, I partner up with them, and I fly them in, and they fly me out. So at the end of the day, it has a lot to do with the stuff that he's doing for Brooklyn Mitsubishi and Patronn. And obviously, not only I approve this message, but he approves it too. So Paul, shout out to you, man. Thank you again for the partnership, and keep doing a good job. All right, and guys, follow my social media, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, Paul Getter, go get it.